guys. This is gonna be a new character. Can you wait silently? Because this is gonna be ugly. This is the new ugly character. He's gonna bring his ugly. Look, the ugly person is here. Look at it! Look at it! It's the ugly person. Oh, hey. And this is the ugly person. That's the ugly person. This is our clue. This is our clue. This is our clue. This is a troll time, guys. This is a troll video, I guess. We're gonna troll kasi Allah today. Oh, yeah. Hi, Snoozy Loose. Boom, 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 basic. ASAP. ASAP. This is probably my fifth video or fourth video. Like, I don't know. Like, it's an ugly girl. So dumb. Hey, let's get hop, 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 hop. Alright. Oh yeah, I'm 8 years old. And also, look at my jawline, it changed. Anyways, let's go to Cuzzy and say, Snoozy Loose, dummy! What? Right to the start, so it's gonna be crazy. Alright! Peterson! This is gonna be more troll time, guys. Let's go troll. Let's go troll. As you're gonna roll it, as a gator, as a lizard. Hey, it's the girl bubble. It's the girl people. Don't realize that thing. Wait up, they're going as hell, bro. Like, my skull is crazy. Oh, wait, no. You will know those things yet. You will know those things. I only do to you down to a couple of years to 2027. Anyways, let's go to some ugly Cuzzy. Hey, there's an ugly Cuzzy here. The Cuzzy. Ibura niya yung mga picture. Hey, that's the ugly thing. It's the dummy and body. Hey, Cuzzy, you're ugly. Ugly. Uy, tara laro tayo. Tumbling. Nope. Uy, tabi. And also, guys, I can do a handstand. Okay, just stay over there. Okay, goodbye. Ano na, sana. Okay, tabi. Tabi. Okay, kita yung play mo, wakin. Ay, tumbling ako. Tumbling daw siya. Tumbling ako, excuse. Wait lang. Sorry, guys. That is the ugliest girl. How will I show the back flip yet? I'll put it in a post. Well, you will not see my dirty. dumbass Cassie here, bro. Let's go. This is the dumbass Cassie right here. Right here, bro. That white short girl. It's the ugly. It's the ugly.
Tumbling.
Anyway, this is full of danger, guys.
Tumbling.
Hello. Anyways, see this. Here's another video.
Ito, kaya mo?
Anyways,
Ito,
by the way, they're just flipping themselves over because they're crazy. They're crazy.
Kainin niya to. Ah! Ikaw. Ito lang ginawa mo. Ah, gano'n naman. Ito. Ito.
1, 2, 3.
Ako naman ito.
So guys, this is a vid, and I see just the ugly
Kain
Cassie.
niyo yan? Nakita ko ano kantin. Apple.
Ugly Cassie here.
Ito.
You know that. You know that, guys. Let's go right there. That's the ugly Cassie right here.
Ayaw mo ito? Ikaw naman, tumambili ka
Like,
mo.
okay, this will be the ugliest Cassie I've ever seen. This is gonna be okay. This is really cute.
Hey!
Ugly Cassie is being killed. In 2 seconds.
Bigyan mo na ng kaiganan. Kaiganan.
So yeah, it's the ugliest thing. This is the ugliest. Let's go beat up her. Anyways, do you want to see my back here? Okay. Well, I mean, I can do a handstand.
Oh,
Don't see that. Bleh.
Eto, dali, iganong mo ako, dali.
And you're not seeing my tickle. Anyways, don't clear that. You're the freakiest.
Tapos may isang bata. Tigilan mo yan. Uy, tigilan lang.
And the Boogie Woogs. Let's go watch and no
Ito
free.
kaya niya? Ito kaya niya?
Ay, kaya namin yan, no?
Kaya ko yan. Ikaw? Dali.
Ay, kaya ko yan din.
Dali ka. Uy, sabi. Ay, hindi yan pag ganyan mo. Ito, pag ganyan. Pag ganyan.
Sabi ko, tigilan nyo yan, masasaktan kayo dyan. Okay.
What?
Sabi, tigilan nyo yan eh.
Okay. Abi. Ito ano is my friend. Tabi, alis! Yeah, okay, that's how you know. Ayun, hindi ka. Tabi. Uy, kasi mo sa mga di hamang.
You're the secretly learning those. And also, they're not learning that. Wait, what?
Alis ka daw dyan.
Anyways, let's go. Especially, this is my time, so see you in peace.
Ay, no. Kasi meron.
Oh, see you in peace. Huh. See you in peace.